There's a video of it in action. Straightest, most efficient way to run a roof is using chalk lines. Don't let Joe Roofer at the bar tell you any different. He does not have a highly trained whiskey eye.
Yeah.
Okay, YouTubers, you asked for it and here you go. So he's going to show you how to mark lines going up a valley. As you can see, he is in the valley and he's using the end of this line to go up further. And he pulls the chalk line past his mark so that way he has something to reference off of. Then he's going to snap lines. Hope that makes sense.